Phoenix Ghost. This is a drone that had been in development before the invasion. Clearly, the Air Force was working this, and in discussions with the Ukrainians again about their requirements, we believed that this particular system would very nicely suit their needs, particularly in eastern Ukraine. And so it was already in development, but we will continue to move that development in ways that are attuned to Ukrainian requirements for unmanned aerial systems of a tactical nature in eastern Ukraine. I'm just not going to get into great detail about the specifications here. I would just tell you that that this unmanned aerial system is designed for tactical operations. In other words, largely but not exclusively to attack targets. It, like almost all unmanned aerial systems, of course, has optics. So it can also be used to give you a sight picture of what it's seeing, of course. But its principal focus is attack.
You said particularly useful in eastern Ukraine. Why would that be?
Again, without getting into the specifications, but the kinds of things this drone can do lend itself well to this particular kind of terrain. I think I'm just going to leave it at that. But its purpose is akin to that of the Switchblade, which we've been talking about in the past, which is basically a one-way drone, an attack drone. And that's essentially what this is designed to do.